Pictographic systems. The pictographic system is one of the earliest forms of writing. In this system, symbols are simple pictures that represent objects, ideas, or actions. For example, ancient Egyptian hieroglyphs and early Sumerian cuneiform began as pictographs. You could look at a symbol and understand its meaning, even without knowing the language. Pictographs were highly intuitive and visual, helping early humans record trade, events, and stories. Over time, many pictographic systems evolved into more abstract writing forms, laying the foundation for future scripts. Logographic systems. In a logographic system, each symbol represents a word or concept rather than a sound. The most famous example is Chinese characters. Unlike pictographs, which directly resemble objects, logograms often use simplified or stylized symbols that convey meaning. Logographic systems are powerful because one symbol can express complex ideas. They also allow people who speak different dialects to understand the same writing. Learning a logographic system takes effort, since thousands of symbols may be needed, but it preserves meaning across centuries. Syllabary systems. A syllabary uses symbols to represent syllables instead of single sounds. Each symbol corresponds to a spoken unit like ka or mi. Examples include hiragana and katakana in Japanese and the Cherokee syllabary. Syllabaries work best for languages with a limited set of syllables. Once the symbols are memorized, reading becomes smooth because you read whole syllables rather than piecing together individual letters. This system is very visual and helps preserve language in a simple yet structured way. Abugida systems. An abugida is a hybrid system where each consonant carries a default vowel and other vowels are indicated with small marks or diacritics. Examples include Devanagari, used for Hindi and Sanskrit, and the Ethiopic script. Abugidas are highly efficient for writing languages with many syllables because you don't need separate symbols for every possible combination. Once mastered, this system allows complex words to be read quickly while maintaining a clear visual structure. Abjad systems. An abjad primarily writes consonants, leaving vowels mostly implicit. Readers infer the vowels from context. Famous examples are Arabic and Hebrew scripts. Abjads are compact and efficient, and they have been used for centuries for religious texts, poetry, and everyday writing. Beginners may find them challenging because vowels are not always written, but experienced readers can interpret words quickly and flexibly. Abjads emphasize consonantal roots, which often carry the core meaning of words. Alphabet systems. An alphabet is a system where each letter represents a single sound, such as a consonant or vowel. Examples include the Latin alphabet used in English and Spanish, the Greek alphabet, and the Cyrillic script used in Russian. Alphabets are highly flexible, allowing a small set of letters to combine into countless words. They are easy to learn and read, which is why alphabets are used widely today. From books to computers, alphabets make language accessible and fast to communicate.